sometimes it will show like this. Okay, so this is my then what to do? So put up, then you will get a root already there, so you can see root. It's just like a sign out kind of stuff. Automatically it will for power saving mode. Okay, so this is about your mainly Linux. Anybody having any doubts, please tell me. Can you able to install it, right?
Yes, sir.
In a description, I didn't write much in a installation related thing. Okay, so again, small hint about installation. Okay, so first one is language, English. Okay, language is English, India. So that is next, all same thing only it will go. So first one is first check with the network. Okay, remember what I'm doing, network and host name. So first of all, enable the network, turn on the network. It is an off condition, turn on the network. Then make sure network is connecting some IP address, something you will get it from DHCP. If you are a VMnet 0. Okay. If any problem is there, you can contact me. Already you know, right? After 8 o'clock. Okay, 6 to 7, almost 7:38. I'm going out. So I will be back in a so 1 or 2 one and a half hour. I'm not available. That's it. 8:39, 9 guarantee I will be there in home. Not mostly. I don't be outside for after 8:30 also. Okay. Next, host name. You can put any name. Okay, so any name. But I given a name just for your understanding. I given a name CTS Linux 1. You can put only Linux 1. Okay, just for Linux 1, Linux 2, like that. So you can give. Don't give your name. Okay, so you can give. Okay. The next one is, so once it is done, so destination. No, not destination. Your time related, time zone, time setup kind of stuff. There also make sure Asia, Kolkata. What are the spelling? It is Asia, Kolkata, time zone kind of stuff. So important is your destination. Okay, where you put a destination. So there you can give these things, which is we are discussed earlier. So you can give this one or lesser also okay. More is also okay. But I given personally like this. Okay, I given personally like this. Okay, so this is we following it. So you can reduce it also if you want. It depends upon your disk size and that. Okay, guys, it's a virtual hard disk. It is a virtual hard disk. It expands as you put it data only. Okay, it is a thin provision disk only, so no problem. Okay, so compulsory put it. So put a standard partition, change it to standard. First change it to standard. There is a plus mark to do anything. Okay, so next is a software selection. Because it's a GUI, compulsory multiple options are there for software selection. So compulsory server with the GUI, that is a very important. Next are optional things you can able to put it like a administrative tools. Okay, administrative tools, client remote tools, something is there, client tools kind of stuff. Also virtualization tools. Okay, you have to go to watch the video and what are selected also you can just a virtualization tools, hypervisor, client, like three things are there. So if you can select it. Developer tools, development tools, development. So check it once. Developer tools like that. There's a few options I given. You can also try email like that. Okay, you can give it. If you don't give, also not a big deal. Okay. I given a email and printer is better to install. I didn't install printer. I think email I installed. Okay. So if you want, you can install it. Maybe in future. Like you want to build a mail server in Linux. Okay, guys. So Linux is more flexible. A lot of things you can able to do in a Linux also because it's very so. So once you're done, so go to begin. Installation. So begin installation. At the begin installation, so you have to give root password. Okay, so you have to give root password always admin@123. Why it is this one? Because you may forget the password. So compulsory remember which password you are using. Next one is create a user. So create a user. You are creating a, yes, at least one single user. You should create it. I created a username is like a student 13A. Normally I put a username is student 1, student 2, student 3. For you I put a 13A specifically. Guys, you can use your own name for a student. For creating user, you can use your own name also, no problem. Just for your fun, like you can do it. Okay, so I can use my Latif also, no problem. And better to use the password. Okay, user is like this. Okay, you can use password is also same name I am putting. Why? Because of when you create a multiple users, you put a different type of passwords. We will get confused. So what I'm using is I put a same username and the same password. So click on it, done 2 times. Once it is done, so then it is asking for reboot. So reboot, click on the reboot. So once it is green came up, I accept license kind of stuff. So then it is done. So again it is login, not listing, not list, and then we put a root as a user and password is admin@123. So once you are login and it is as per skip kind of stuff, done. Then finally what to do? Already I have written login with root to find out the username and password. Okay, so this is a login with root completed. This is login with root. So first of all, first time you are login with the root only. Next, open terminal. Open terminal. In the terminal, what you do? So check the IP address first. That is check the IP address. How to check the IP address? IP-addr. This is the one command. Another one is if config. Just don't get confused. IP config in a Windows, if config in Linux. Okay, so you don't get any point. You are not getting more points while you are telling a difference between Windows and Linux. Yeah, you can tell how to check an IP address if config. In Windows, we choose IP config. In Linux, if config. So whatsoever it is, the command check for like usually your adapter is showing ENS33. It depends upon. So different type of names are there. INET 0, okay, ENET 0, INET 0, like that. So different names are there. Okay, in CentOS it is ENS33. Usually ENS33 for a first one. Okay, or INET. I said INET 0, ETH 0. Like different names of adapter is there. In names in Linux. Okay, so it is showing like this. We have a ENS33 is a name, and find out your IP address. Note down the IP address. Okay, and also I told how to check your kernel version. Guys, what is the command to check the kernel version? What is the command for checking a kernel version? Am I audible or not? Audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is a okay union space -r. Okay, and also I told some commands, so compulsory remember who am I. Okay, who am I is to show current user. Okay, which user is currently login, or you can say which user is currently login, the terminal user. Okay, users list. User list means users who are currently login list. Okay, so who are login currently to our system, that is a command is who am I will shows which user is currently login. Okay, guys, tomorrow I will show you SSH communication. So SSH is also there, SSH putty. Tomorrow I will show you. First of all, install the Linux, because I already told GUI mode, so no problem. You can start using the command. So this is I will tell you tomorrow. SSH and putty kind of connections. That is also you have to try, because installation itself it is like a not a big deal, but still you are doing that one. Okay. So who am I command. So guys, next commands I'm going to show you like a date, echo, cal. Okay, ls, pwd. These 5 commands. We'll see the first. Okay, guys, are you okay with the command lines, Linux environment? To do this thing, you don't require to be in a root also. Okay, so you can do in a CLI also. So for that, sorry, you can do in a student account also. So what for that one, I am going to sign out. Okay, so I'm going to sign out like a root logout. I'm logging out from the root and I'm logging with a different user. Root is administrator. Remember guys, always root is administrator. So root has root has all rights. Exactly say all rights. Okay, in a director word. So exactly say it is highly privileged. Privileged user. Privilege, it means all permissions. Okay, root can change, can go, he can able to change anything, he can able to go anywhere. Okay, so okay, so like we can say install, uninstall, okay, create, modify, delete, okay, permissions, and change of permissions, like that. So there is a lot of things about a root is there. All remaining users are standard users. Okay, all remaining are standard users only. So there is no root, no, there is no replacement of root users. So root is an administrator, and I created a user student 13a is a standard user. Like this, you can create a multiple standard users with a limited privileges. Limited privileges. So cannot control everything. Okay, can change, go, or can control everything. Okay. And control everything, can go anywhere, anything, you can able to do it. The standard user limited privileges, very limited privileges. Guys, then why I came out from the root and again I went to this one. So compulsory guys, any standard user, which user you are using, whatever it is, user name, it is Latif or anything, user is there. First of all, you must know what are the things you can able to do with the root user. What are the things, what are the things you can be able to do with a standard user? What are the things you cannot able to do with the standard user? Okay, so that is very important. Any basic commands you can able to do it. Okay, so any basic commands, any normal commands you can able to do with the student account. So that's we will see first. Okay. See, this is a student account is already showing here. So if you click on it, it is asking the password. The password is same name only, username, password is also same. And I log in with the student. Now first time we will log in again. Guys, remember I am login with the student earlier in the CLI terminal, but in GUI terminal this is the first time I am logging. So again it will try to create a user profile because GUI profiles are different and CLI profile is different. See, it is asking here one by one, next, skip, that's it. Let's start using CentOS, help, close, open the terminal. Okay, so simple. Again, see, it is a small letters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to preference. Okay, and click here, custom font, and change to this one and put 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is okay. I think so. Otherwise, tell me, guys. Guys, this text is okay, or can I may I have to require to increase the font size?
No need, sir. It will.
Okay, then I will. Okay, so this is, and already I told few commands. We will do it again. So date, echo, cal, pass, wd, like that. Okay, so the first command, what I want to do is who am I again? So I'm a student 13A username. Who are login? It's not showing a root. Why? Because of root is not at login. Root is login and logged out. Currently root is not at login. It is showing only student. Okay, no other user is login. So it is we are getting our thing. LS represent list of the current directory. LS represent list of the current directory. PWD is present working directory. PWD means present working directory. It means whenever you open, for example, guys, this is a G drive. This is the G drive. Where is the G drive? Under root. This is under root. I have a Z drive. Under root, I have a G drive. Under G drive, I have a folder called a OS folder. Under OS folder, I have a file like this, right? First is nothing. So from that one, so from first is Z drive, then is a voice folder. Inside a voice folder, what is there? Same goes here. Okay, that's why better we should we'll take where it is. It is here. It is. First is home, then a student. This is the name. Under this one, we have a data. Like this is the folders are there. So you want to see in a directly like this. This is the home. Okay, I log in with the student 13A. So this is the home directory /home. So desktop, documents, downloads, like this. This is the data. Okay. So exactly say how it is look like. Go to other locations, computer. This is a root. This is the root. You can see /. These are the all directories. Scroll down. You can find home. Media, here it is a home. /home. So under /home, you will get a student 13A. This is the data. I will show you that one again, guys. Present working directory means on which directory you are there and what you are created. For example, no, not this one. This is better. For example, I create a file or I copy a file into this one. I copied a file into this one. So where I copied? In this location. I didn't copy here. I copied here. Okay. I didn't copy here. I copied here. Right. So what is the difference? What is the difference? Location is different. Location is different. So compulsory, you must know what is your current location. What is your current location? That is a PWD. In your PWD, what is the data is there? This is the data. So PWD, after that one put ls, this is the data. I will show you one command to create a file. Touch is used to create a file, empty file. I am creating file 1. Okay, I'm creating file 1. That's it. I created a file. Where I created? Here only created. Put ls. You can see file 1 is created. Before that one, it is not showing. Now it is showing file 1. What is my current location? This is the current location. I created a file. This is my current location. And file 1 is not there. I created a file. Now I checked it. File is there. Okay. So it is nothing but same is like this. Okay. So simply go to computer, home, go to home, student 13. So you can see that one here also, home, student. Open it. Then you can see file 1 is there. See file 1. Earlier file 1 is not appear in this one. Now it is appear. Okay, it is the thing like where is a location. So locations are very important, guys. You are learning a Linux. Linux means not commands. Linux means not command. Just you learn a 10, 20 commands or 50 commands or 100 commands. Like you taken a textbook and you wrote down all the commands and you type all the commands and you do nothing. You didn't learn anything. Okay. Without learning locations, paths, how to go to one path to another path. Okay, without learning that one, you learn 100 commands also, it is completely wasted. You know, some people put a Linux commands like this, you know, they note down everything in the classroom and they go to the system and they keep typing. Okay, then completed Linux is completed. So exam is fast. The thing is they didn't learn anything. So learning means really understand what is there by practice or looking at, try to understand that too. I put a GUI. So basically like I don't prefer a GUI in a Linux. Okay, but why I put a GUI is for your understanding. So where is your location? Okay. Okay. How to change the location just for you? CD desktop. Yeah, it is not there. Yeah, CD desktop. When I given a wrong name, it is throwing an error. This is called error. Right? No such a file or a directory. It means with this name, directory is not there. This is the directory I want to go desktop, but it is not there. So CD desktop, ls. On desktop, on my desktop, nothing is there. The trash and home is nothing. So it is not showing anything. I'm creating a file here. Sorry. PWD, my present working directory is changed. So when I change my current directory to CD desktop, automatically present working directory is changed. Make sure where is your current location. Now I'm going to create a file, file 2 here. Now see, if you look at the file is created on my desktop. You can see file is created on my desktop. Okay. So where I created on my desktop. But what is the location? You can see pwd like this. Okay. So present working directory. For example, I'm going back to my previous thing. Okay. ls. See, file 1 is there, but it is not showing file 1 in my desktop. Why? Because of different locations. This location is different. This location is different. If you are in this location, it shows the file 2. Okay. If you are in this location, it will show file 1. Okay. So like that, locations are very important. Guys, little bit understand what is pwd, present working directory, and a touch command, how to create empty files. Yes, sir. Okay. ls. 3 things I told, 3 things will go. Linux won't finish, just for starters only. Okay. Just for start. Another command is echo. Another beautiful command is echo command. Echo. You put any text after echo, it returns the same statement on the terminal only. On the terminal, it don't create any files and all. It won't create any files. Just it will return the statement on your screen. Hello. Echo. How are you? Okay. A spelling mistake. How are you? Okay. So like this, it returns the same terminal. Echo is a messaging. It is a messaging command. Usually, it repeats the same thing on our system only. Okay. So it will display the line, and also you can include some commands. For example, host name. So this is my host name. My computer name is cts13 linux1.example.com. Host name space -s. Now what is the difference? Example.com not showing, only the first part is showing. Host name space -i. It is showing my IP address also. The multiple IP addresses showing. This is IPv6 link local address. Link local address. This is the adapter name. This is the IP address. This is a bridge address. So this is my main address. Okay. So host name space -i. So host name space -s, host name space -i. Okay. 3 comments. So what is the extra thing I put it? What is the extra thing I put it? Host name space -s, host name space and I. Guys, commands always follow with options. There is a command. Always in a bash command, this is the pattern. In a bash command meaning is there is a command and there is a option and a argument. So this is the command pattern. Sometimes you don't give any argument. It means it take the current directory or a current machine, current user as a argument, like a who, current machine, who am I, current user, current terminal character, terminal related one. Okay. ls, current directory, pwd, current location, touch, and I given a file name, argument I given. I didn't given any options there. Here it is, I given option. Here no option I given, no argument it is. Okay. So pattern is different. So but there is a main 3 parts of a command. Okay. So like this.
ls is current directory. Hello.
ls means
current
list the current directory content.
And pw is also like present, like web directory itself, no?
I tell you what is your directory, current directory. Content is different.
How is it different? So can you tell any example?
Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay. So here it is. Look at this one. Simply I want to say you have a pockets, right? So you have a shirt pocket, fan pocket, pockets are there. You're asking which pocket? Pocket number one, pocket number two, like which pocket? Where there is a you're having some change on which pocket? Okay, so you're asking what you put a hand in your pocket. I'm asking you which pocket? Which pocket? So that is PWD. Just pocket name only. What is the content in that one? What is inside a pocket? We don't know, right? So it is only which pocket it is. Where are you? Which pocket you are currently located? Content will be told by ls command. Content will be told by ls command. So I will show you again. So look at here. Oh, I removed it. So sad. Okay, no problem. Look at here it is, guys. Okay. PWD, present working directory, means which directory you are currently located. What is your current location? Current location. What is there in the current location? For example, you went outside and there is a place you went, and your mom called you and asked you where are you located. So you tell your location. Your location, right? So that is current location, like your pocket or maybe a folder, your current folder. ls, content of that folder, content of that current location, content. So what are the files are there, folders are there, what are there in your current location? So that is your ls command will display. Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Very good. Okay. Guys, don't worry. First time you are doing that is definitely there is a small confusion. Only thing is it will take at least 2 to 3 years to learn really. So really like habituated. Only thing is Linux is very fun way of learning. Like people who like a DIY, like a do it yourself kind of stuff, right? DIY, whatever what way they can do it yourself, whatever it is, DIY, actually do it yourself, right? DIY. Okay, it is like a Linux only. Max to max, you can learn so many things. Once you know the basics, you learn so many things. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, next, guys, I explained these commands, but the meaning I didn't told, right? So you want to get a exact meaning without PPT. I didn't open any PPT. So, but still we can learn few things. The command is man or a info or a pinfo. Okay. Okay. We have to remove these things. Look at here. There is a help commands. Okay. Help commands are there. One command is man info pinfo. Okay. Hyphen help. If you are in a GUI mode, okay, so you are in a GUI mode anyway, that is F1 or just help. Okay, press F1 to get a help. So this is the things. So first of all, I want to show you man now. Then later I will show you help also. Man pwd. It will tell you about your command and options. Any relevant commands, do that one. Any relevant commands or nodes and how to use it in that one. So man means manual. Man means manual. Manual. Okay. So how to put a command for a man is man I use the command pwd. Okay, so I got to know what is pwd means. Print name of current and working directory. Present working directory, current working directory is command is pwd. See, it shows like this. Okay. Same thing, guys. What you do? What are the commands I told? And if I given a text or not given a text, don't worry. Always go to like this. See, man ls. You'll get a each and every command and their options also. You can also get it options. Hyphen a option, capital A. Hyphen B. Like that. So there are lot of options are there. Hyphen L like that. How to come out from it? Q. Press Q to come out from it. What are the commands I told? Like a who am I? Okay, who am I? Who am I? Echo. See, what is a echo? So each and every command, if in case, if I don't show you what it is the command, if I don't give the information, don't worry guys, it is everything we can able to learn it. Okay, so there is a bad remark on the Linux is it's not suitable for self-learning, not user friendly, but it is fun friendly. You have a very good hard friend is there, means like a very good strong friend, not difficult to understand. Okay, it's very difficult to understand, friend. This is a Linux only. Okay, in a Linux only. Okay, so that is kind of like user friendly means hi, how are you? Then this is my information. This is your information. User friendly. Hard friendly means you have to go with them and you have to understand. Go for a tea, coffee. Sometimes going around. It's difficult to time. It will take time to understand. But you will get definitely a real fun out of that friend, right? So that is very good, memorable thing. So that is all. Okay. So one I showed manual, one of the help command, and how to get the information from it. Also we've seen, and also certain options you can able to get it. Like you see, you can see the options also. So that is man. Anything I said and I didn't told, yeah, host name. Okay. Host name will display host name only. So by displaying only you will get it. What I will do guys for you, host name, this is output, host name space hyphen yes, this is output, host name space hyphen I, this is output. So when you are saving, I don't know whether it is, yeah, it is came. So remember which is command, which is output. So don't get confused. Okay, command output. What is displaying output for this one? Okay, we use a touch command also. Touch file1. After this one, we use the command ls, and it is showing file1 is created. I'm not completely satisfied. Echo also we use, right? Echo hello, then it is returning hello. Echo, how are you? Last part in echo, I am trying to say it also execute the commands. It is also execute the commands. Okay, for displaying purpose. Look at here, echo, how are you, like this. Okay, text is okay, But how to execute this? So you can put it, my host name is dollar host name hyphen s compulsory quotation. Compulsory quotation. You can look at this one. Okay. So my host name is automatically displaying. Simply can highlight and you can copy paste on your notepad in your physical machine. Possible. If it is not working, don't ask me. Don't ask me. You can try. Okay. So this is, it will executing the command. So I put a command with option here with a dollar and I put a text. So it is the text and it is displaying the output of the command. So like that also you can able to do it. Okay, you can put a who am I also here. You can put a who am I kind of stuff. Okay, it is not understanding user command. Yeah. Dollar user will display your user. Dollar user means it display user. Okay. User is not a command. User is not a command. Dollar user is a command. Dollar user is a command, like dollar Java home, like that. Like it is home directory kind of stuff. You can see, I will show you. Dollar home is not a directory. It is I will show you your mind. Dollar user. Okay, it is not a command. It is found like that. It is showing. Dollar home. It is showing my home directory. My home directory is like this. Okay, so dollar home is my home directory like this. It is showing. Directly, it won't. The dollar home dollar kind of stuff. It is throwing an error. I think you can try like this. Not other. Guys, if you are observer or not, you can see a dollar symbol here. Dollar represent you log in as a student. Hash represent you log in as a root. Okay. Login symbol is hashtag. No, I don't write here. I will write in a little bit bottom so you can see. At a command prompt, a terminal, it is showing hash. It represent you log in as a root. Okay. Dollar represent you log in as a any standard user. What I said, oh, date and cal is also there. Okay, the first one is cal, so I will go to the cal. Okay, calendar. Cal means display calendar. Is calendar. Simple cal. What it is displaying? Current month calendar. Yeah, you can go. What it is displaying? Current month calendar. Current month calendar. For example, I want to display whole year calendar. cal 2022. This is entire year calendar. The entire year calendar 2022 entire year calendar. You can look at the calendar and find out your birthdays also. You want to get a 1947 calendar. Okay, August 15th. See, whole year calendar. So what to do? I want to particular month calendar, like a month means January 1, February 2, March is 3, right? So 3, right? It is not showing 3. It is showing 3 means some other as per the calendar 3. So what to do? Compulsory you should use 3 2022. Next month calendar. Call 3. Call APR 2022. Yeah, it is not understanding that one. Yeah. So you have to use 4 only. Okay. So January 1, Feb 2, March 3, like that. So you have to use the numbers to display the calendar. This is which month you want it. For example, cal August 1947. So like this. August 1947 calendar. Okay. So this is about a basic calendar. Calendar 2022. Cal 2021. Okay. I put a cal April 2022. Cal 8 1947. Okay, so this is about your calendar. Okay, as I said, in the list of the commands, only one command is left, that is date. Why I leave the date for last? Because very important, and as well as I will tell one more help option with the date. Date is a simple commands. It displays the current date. Mandate. Print or set a time and date and time. So you can set the time and print the time also. And also there is a options you can see. There is some more options to get a date. So these are all different dates with a different type of formats. I will come back to that one and I will show you that one. So what is the date? Wait. No. You know, in a Linux, you don't need to do copy paste kind of stuff. Simply highlight, just highlight and click paste here. In Windows, copy paste is required. In the terminal, you don't need of anything, just highlight, you will get it. Okay. No right click, no copy paste kind of stuff on. Okay. Now the command is date, will display the output date. See, it is showing current date, current month. See, Monday, Feb 7, 2022, and the time. So it will displaying totally date and time. Okay, so but you can able to format this date and time as per your requirement also. Okay, so you can check with my current time also. So how to format date? Put a single quote and a plus. Percentage. I want only date kind of stuff, like a D represent date part, M represent month, percentage y represent year. So like this, date, month, year. So you want that pattern, you will get it. Or you want a hyphens, normally we write a in the hyphen mode, right? So like this, or you want a year is 22. No, I don't want. I want a full year, 4 letters, capital Y. Okay. Instead of month in a 2, so I want a Feb kind of stuff, like a Feb, March kind of stuff, small b. Or no, I want to know spellings, February. Like this, you can display the date with the different patterns. We can display the dates with the different patterns. Okay. Not only this one, there is a lot of options are there, guys. Understand the options. Before going to option, also I will tell time, hours, percentage, minutes, percentage, seconds. So this is okay. So this is my time. The time also different patterns you can able to display. Guys, already I told man command. So man is one of the help command is a manual. Okay, but if you don't know, you know the command, but you don't know the options. There are a lot of options. I told some options, but there are a lot of options also there. So you cannot remember all the options for every command. It's very difficult, right? So you need a help to get options and how to use it. So that is use a hyphen help. Okay. It is give helps to get options. Okay. Like this. How to use this one? We use this one here. So look at here. Like this. Command space hyphen command space hyphen help. Okay. Example date hyphen help. Okay. Or pwd hyphen help. Okay. Like this. So if you need ls having so many options required, so compulsory ls pwd we keep using. Okay, so like a ls hyphen here like this, you will get a know of the options also. Okay, guys, notes is just to something only. Okay, don't believe in my notes. Okay, so you have to follow with the flow, or you write a notes, that is also good. Okay, so practice will get it. This is the last command, don't worry. Date hyphen help. So I will get a help like this. So what it is showing, if you look at the screen, see, date hyphen help. This is the usage, or this is a usage. Hyphen D represent date, like that it is showing. Out of this, see format. So what I done, formatting it. So what I do, like a percentage A, percentage capital A is like a Sunday. B, January, month, means these two are weeks. This is month. This is full month. So local date and time. Okay. So I will open another terminal. So I will show you this thing. See, date. First is quotation single quote plus percentage C. It is showing a full time. See, like this. Only date it is showing differently. So date is showing like this, but it is showing differently. Percentage. See. Okay. Day of month. Percentage D, capital D is date. See, capital D. It is a date, full date, full date. Small d is means day of the month. All is 07. Okay, like hours, years. Okay, time format like hours in a 24 format we got it. I means 12 hours format. Okay, I'll show you that one. Date plus percentage capital I, percentage M, percentage yes. Okay, M means minutes, S means seconds, I means 12 hours format. See, 60410. Okay, hours H will represent 24 hours format. Okay, so like this is a by with the help know the options and different kind of stuff, and you can able to do so many things. Okay, that this is and also we can do a few more things like we can mix up the command things also like this. You can see if you take this one, now that time is, see, now the time is like this. So you can put a text in the command also. You can put a text in the commands also. Okay, so that's it. So what are the any other command? LS is a beautiful command anyway. LS is a command. Cat command is there. Okay, so tomorrow, maybe if you want to, if you are completed, guys, if in case you are completed, I will also forward the PPTs for you. You can try these commands, also very beautiful commands. Cat, cat greater, okay, cat double greater, okay, mkdir. Tomorrow I will tell these commands, okay, mkdir, cd, cp, mv, rm, rmdir, okay, ls options, ls space hyphen l, like that. So there are so many ls options are there. Okay, so like morning session, and also morning session I will tell about a SSH connection. First morning I will tell about SSH. Okay, remote connection SSH, not a command SSH. Okay, putty connection I will tell in tomorrow morning. So guys, compulsory everybody complete the Linux installation, and these commands are won't take much time. These commands totally 5 to 10 minutes maximum it will take. Just type the commands. Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, it's just a virtual machine. That while installing you got any problem, just you can contact me. Already I told my timings. That's it for now. Anybody having any doubts, please tell me. Okay, that's it for today also. So people are habituated to sit up to